Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you all how I install my U-part wig, and I'll also show how much hair I leave out. And I had flat ironed it last night and laid it down so that way it wouldn't stick up today. So this is what I left out, just this little piece and this little piece right here, and that is it. I had to put a little bit down because it was too much. So yeah, this is all I have out. Just this little amount. Not much. Just like literally if you take one piece and that's it. And I just have a like the little U, I guess you can say. So here's my U-part wig. I added some clips to this one. At first, I was able to just sew it around the edges, but the clips work a lot better. And the shiny stuff is the I sealed my wefts. This is Virgin Brazilian Deep Wave / curly or whatever that I got from New Star Hair. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Guangzhou New Star Hair Company. So, I'm just gonna pin this out the way. And you unclip the front two. It's just snap on, snap off. And I'm gonna bring it all the way to the front. Push it, snap. Bring this to the front. Slide it through. Oh, I don't want to snap. Snap, just like that. So after I get the front two, then I go to the back. I pull the back. I unsnap those and I pull it down. And I have two right here in the front. This is one, so I'm going to pull my hair back, slide that on, clip it. Then I'm going to do the same right here. And I just have my hair twisted down. Then I'm going to go pull this part. And I also have two more on the back sides. So I have a total of 8. Usually I do a total of 6 clips, but this one I added 8 because I wanted it to lay flatter, lay down in the front. So it's on, and it won't move. Like I'm pulling, it's not gonna go anywhere. So now I just take this apart. Oh, I left a piece out. Hold on, I left a piece out. Let me put that back in. Tuck that piece in. There. And I just lay it on top. So now is the part where I blend. So I take a piece of the hair in my hair and I kind of just twist it. Since I'm natural, you can kind of see you can see the cut going across, so that's why it's better to blend it. So just take a piece like this and take a piece of the hair and like just tuck it under like that. Just tuck it under and do this side, and it's gonna make a huge difference, like a big difference. My ends are frizzy, and I'm not about to put no heat damage in my head, so I wasn't about to keep going back and forth with that flat iron to get it smooth. And once I start styling it, it'll look a whole lot better. So I'm gonna just go and comb it. I'll let y'all see the length. I ordered the this was the 14, 16, and 18 inch, but I got it cut in layers, and I cut it a little bit yesterday, so I'll let you see. y'all, I miss my straight hair. I've been wearing I have two U-part wigs, and this is the shorter one. The other one is like 24" and two 22s with the same hair. But I like to wear that one curly. This one I like to wear it straight or curly. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it right quick. So I'm gonna take the front about this much. Do this piece first. Yeah, I just learned how to curl with the flat iron. I like my regular curling irons, but I'm just gonna do it with the flat iron today because it takes a little while for my other curling irons to get hot. So that's one piece. I'm gonna take this piece. So I like to wear my hair to where it looks like it's in layers. And I just curl it like that. And I just do the exact same thing to this side. This side is always a little harder, I guess because I'm right-handed. See, this side doesn't look as cute as the other side, but let me see. Yeah, I really hate curling with the flat iron, but I'm trying to get better at it, so I'm gonna keep practicing. That's how you get good at what you do. Practice makes perfect. There we go. See, and I just wanted to go that way. Let's see, and then I'll do this piece so it can have that little layer effect. There. Now just blend this a little bit more. See? Just like that. Sometimes I do the rest of my hair like this, but I'm not gonna do that for right now. Just wanted to show y'all how I install it. And you can play with it and just keep blending it. To get it how you like it. Yeah, like I'm gonna keep playing with this. now it looks the way I want it to look. So you just keep blending and your hair be nice and laid, and you can go about your business and be cute. I'll let y'all see what it looks like. I'm gonna keep playing around with my hair to get this part to stay, cause yeah, that's what I normally do. And my hair has plenty of body. So I hope y'all like it. I love my U-part wigs. They come in very handy right now. With me being natural, my hair frizzes a lot. And right now I'm back and forth from Texas to Louisiana. And it's hot down here in the South. So, I mean, I felt like every time I did my hair, you know, I like to do the cute little bantu knots and the cute little flat twists and curls. And I would do that. Then I go outside, walk around, do different little things, come back in, and my hair is like just frizzy and all messed up. So why put in all the time and effort to do my hair if it's gonna mess up? So for the summer, I'll be wearing my little U-part wig to where I don't have those problems. And I also have another U-part wig with the closure. I'll let you see that right quick. I have this one, and it has the closure on it. So, you know, I can switch it up whenever I want to. I made this one as well, and it looks like that on the inside. And I just throw it on and go. And I'll do a tutorial for how I got it to, it looks nappy right now, but it's not, y'all. But I'll do a tutorial for how I got this real curly. A lot of y'all liked it on Instagram when I posted pics, and some people asked me how I got my curls like that. So I will be posting a tutorial soon. I might do it with the shorter hair to give me a cuter big afro look. But that's all. I hope y'all like it. Thanks for watching, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Naturally Carly. And I'll put it all in the info box or whatever. So this is my U-part wig with my hair out for those who've asked. So thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.